Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
Welcome back to another video with Cooking with Net TV, where you will learn how to make quick and easy delicious recipes that I know you will love. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe that's super easy to make. So please, on your way in, if you could give me a like, comment, and also subscribe, that really will help me out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as I mentioned before, all you need is 3 ingredients: 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. That's it. We're going to first start off by adding our 1 cup of peanut butter. One cup of sugar, and 1 egg. Now we're going to give everything a quick blend. Use a spatula just to scrape the edges to make sure everything is well combined. Now we're going to take our dough and roll it into balls, and I will show you what that looks like in just a second. This is how it should look once you roll it out. Nice and round. Now we're going to just get a fork and press it in. And we're going to do it twice for each cookie. Now we're going to bake for 10 minutes in the oven for 350, and I'll be right back to y'all. Y'all, look at these fresh out the oven. They came out so good, and they smell so good and tasted so good. And I couldn't believe I made this recipe out of 3 ingredients. So I know if I can do it, y'all can too. If you would like to see more content like this from me, please leave it down in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions on whatever type of dessert you would like to see me bake next, please leave it down below and I will consider all. So thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys have a nice, beautiful evening. Until the next video, you guys, y'all stay blessed out there, and peace.